Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of React Native. Today I'm implementing the React Native FB ads and I'm facing the one of the issue that is while trying to resolve module React Native FB ads from this file, the package.json was successfully found. However, this package itself specify a module field that could not be resolved. So we are going to solve this issue. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So basically, React Native FB ads is basically for the ads by the Facebook. Okay, so when I'm trying to install this package and I'm trying to run the ad, I'm facing this issue. So let's how to solve this issue. Let's have a quick recap on that one. Okay, so how to solve this issue? It is very easy, very simple, nothing more much on that. Okay, so if we have to go to our package react native fb ads. Okay, so go to the react native fb ads over here. So here we have the modules react. This is my node modules. You have to go there, react native, whatever the package name it is. So you can search with this is the package, right? React native fb ads. So I'm going to just copy this and opening that module, just copy and just paste it over here where it is. Paste it, open the item location. Okay, then we have a package.json here. Op- okay, so I have already opened it. Okay, so this is the package.json for the dating ads. So here you can see that the entry point is dist lib index.js, and if I go and check that, there is no dist lib and index.js, right? So that is occurring the issue. So you have to replace it by using, because here we have a source and index.ts, not the index.js, right? So what we have to do, we are going to change this. Control Y. Okay, source index.ts, replace it with this one and run the code. Okay, control C and just add this. Okay, and reload this. Now you can see the build is running. Now you can see the error is resolved. Okay, see, so this is how you can solve this issue. So let me know if you find this issue and this video resolve your issue, then please do comment on my video that this video very helpful for you and fixing your issue. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.